Yes, this is Dr. James from Naturalis Pharmacy. Today we are discussing something new. We have called it healing balm. We have made this from papyrus. Yes, for all those who know papyrus, papyrus is a plant that grows in swamps, used to purify the water before the water enters into the lake. So what we do, we get this papyrus, we burn, we get the ash, then we get this extract from the ash. So what does this actually help with? First of all, this is alkaline. You can use it for making soap. It is good for those who have hard hands. Has someone ever butted you and you feel like they're touching a metal? So with this, you smear on your hands, and your hands will be soft. Not just hands, including cracked heels. Cracked heels, we call it a charger. You are afraid of visiting people because you think that when you visit them, their bedsheets will get torn. This is a very important product for that case. So you just get cotton wool, pour this and scrub your feet. It is good for poisoning and food poisoning. So in case you have history of being poisoned and now you are undergoing a detox, this is a very good product for you. For those who have what we call halitosis, the mouth is not smelling well, this product is very good. Use it as a mouth rinser, you can drink it. Yes, if the armpits are not smelling well, you can use this to, after this you apply your jasmine perfume. This one here, jasmine perfume, and you will be good to go. So this product, we are using it for heartburn. If you have ulcers and wounds, you just drink in water. It's a good exfoliator for skin, pimples, skin rashes, psoriasis, eczema. This papyrus extract is a very good one. So if you want to have this in your garden, you can mix in water and you spray in your garden. Repels insects. We told you that it is alkaline, and if you ever buy fruits and you're not sure whether these fruits have toxins or not, you can get this mix in water, then you soak your fruits in it. It's a very good product for that. It relaxes muscles, it boosts immune system, meaning that you will not be falling sick every time. So should you want to know more about this, or you have an experience with this or information, please get us in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. Have a beautiful day.